Hey guys, I'm gonna show you guys how I make ambrosia. It's a dessert. It's pretty quick. A lot of the time I make it, I get asked a lot, like, how do you make ambrosia? So my ambrosia. So I'm gonna show you guys. These are all you need for the ambrosia. So you need yogurt, and then you need baby fish. I use baby fish only because it's nice and soft. Some people use pineapple lumps. What's it called? Pineapple lumps. Pineapple lumps, but I prefer this. It's nice and soft. And then you need the cream. And I don't know about other people, but I do add, what is it called? The actual chocolate. Flakes. I do add flakes, but because there were no flakes when we went to Countdown, we just got this one. It does the same job. So the first thing you want to do, whip the cream. So let's do that now. We just had dinner, and you know, like, if we're having a nice and simple dessert, like quick and easy, then we just leave it until it's all done, like dinner's done, you know, clean up and all of that. Then we have our dessert. So in goes your cream. And you just want to get soft peak, so I'll show you what that means. That was a long nap, eh? Yeah, put the blanket on. That was a really long nap. Okay, now that's done. Our cream is ready. Now we're gonna add the yogurt. Okay, so I'm just gonna... And that's the yogurt that I recommend that you get. It's the Fruit of the Forest yogurt. It's so good. Because some people add, you know, like blueberries and strawberries in their ambrosias, but I prefer to just have the yogurt with the, you know, those little tiny bites of fruits in it. So we'll just go in. This is completely up to you. Like, you control this part. There's no magic measurement or whatsoever. Now is we're going to fold it in. So we're just gonna go. And I'm probably gonna end up adding a bit more anyway. Yeah, that's perfect. That's so good. Yes. Now we're going in with our twirls. Okay, so here's how I do it. See that? And then you fold it in again. So I've just cut up the chocolate fish, and then you're just gonna go in like that. Because they're gonna be sticky, so you don't wanna chuck the whole thing in. You just have a little bit of control, so that everyone gets one, at least. But you remember, it's already nice and delicious before the chocolate fish. And this is just gonna add a bit more of that vanilla flavor. So good. And if you're like me, want quick and easy stuff, just grab this. Just grab this from Countdown. Slice it up. Serve it with the ambrosia and you're done. Here we go. Shane's gonna taste it for us.
Moment of truth. Okay?
You know, just light and sweet. Yeah. You go, baby.
Yummy cake.
Ooh, yummy? Yeah.
This is nice.
John, come and get a plate and have some. You like it, baby? Have your ice cream, your ambrosia. Yeah. Oh.
What does it taste like?
Tastes so nice, eh? Did you taste the chocolate? Yeah.
The brownie is nice as well.
Oh, here. Okay, I'm not ready. Where's mine?
All right, pick your brownie and come and eat.
A brownie?
Yeah?
It's right where the, yeah.
Huh?
It's where the, yeah.
What?
It's where the,
No,
It's where the,
no, I'm not doing it.
Come, Nilla, it's okay.
yeah.
And MJ.
Mom, this is good. Good.
Made a brownie on it. Okay, Anna.
Yeah.
Nice, eh,
It's
guys?
one.
Look, the brownie's gone.
Did you go to see?
It's all that one's fault.
No. Look at it's sharp. Look at her. Never have. What? No. What? We eat it.
Very.
Just that.
Oh,
Very.
10. 10 out of 10. And John?
1 billion out of 10. 1 billion. It's actually good. I like it.
Anna?
20 out of 10. Yes, sir.
Dasha? 10 out of 10 for me. Nice. Uncle?
10 out of 1.
Hey!
10 out of 10. Mine,
Nice.
I give it a
And you, Leo? Rate it out of 10?
What you said?
What do you give it, Fatty?
9, close to 8.
Shh, hey. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. That's the end of our video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video. Alright, thank you. Bye.